Welcome to AttendanceGuru. To create an exam, navigate to your dashboard and click on Exam and Result. Select the class for which you want to create the exam, and then click on Create New. Enter the exam name and type. Next, you will configure the sittings, which refers to the number of exam shifts you plan to conduct in a single day. For example, if you choose 2 sittings, set the timings for both shifts. Then, if there are no subjects listed, please add the required subjects and subsubjects and click Save. Once saved, select the specific subjects you need for this exam. You also have the option to add subsubjects if necessary. And for subsubjects, you can set individual dates if you want. After adding your subjects and selections, and verify your subjects, then click Next. Now, select the dates for the exams. For instance, you might schedule English, Paper A for the first shift, and English, Paper B for the second shift on day 1, followed by Hindi in the first shift, and Maths in the second shift the next day. Then click on Next. Now, you need to assign marks. You can set individual marks for each subsubject or just for main subject. Simply add the passing marks and full marks. For subsubjects, setting passing marks is entirely optional, but you must enter the full marks. If each subject has different passing and full marks, enter them manually. However, if the marks are identical across multiple subjects, you can use the copy feature to apply the same grading structure to all of them. Finally, click Save. This will generate the exam and direct you to the exam view. If you need to update an exam you have already created, simply click on Update Exam. From here, you can modify the exam name, sittings, and timings. You also have the option to update or delete specific subjects. Once you have made your adjustments, just repeat the same steps you followed when creating the exam to save your changes, and that's it. In our next video, we will discuss hall tickets and exam results. Thanks for watching.